she is just, she has a heart of gold. And for me, it's so important to have people like that in my programs. That's one, as you guys know, that's one of my criterias. And I wanted to bring her here because she's having such an amazing growth inside this program. I am so proud of her. So I just wanted to hear real quick, you all to hear her experience. So Jill, why don't you tell people who you are and what you do and who you serve?
Well, hi to everyone, and shout out to Christine because she's a fellow coach friend of mine doing awesome things out in the cleft lip community. Just amazing. I am Jill Lacsa. I am a women's confidence coach. And I am actually doing a free workshop on how to set boundaries. And you're all invited. And I just want to tell you that before joining Simone's webinar for profit class, my name wasn't out there. I was throwing, like she mentions, throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping that something would stick. I had 100 followers on my Instagram account. Today I almost have 1,400 after 2 webinars. My name is out there. People are referring people to me. They're wanting to share my workshop. My first workshop right out of the gate, brand new to this, I had 47 people registered right out of the gate. And I had a turnout of about 15 people in the first workshop. That was amazing to me. And it's just been, the strategy was what was missing. It was the missing component for me, and the guidance. And then, like Simone always says, mindset is like 80% of it and 20% is strategy. So you can't work on one without the other. She provides both in her program. And I love that. It's not just about the execution and the task list and what you need to do every day to show up for yourself, but it's the mental aspect as well. As you all probably know, you grow a lot as you're building a business. It's been phenomenal, and I'm having the most fun I've ever had. And I think the thing that's the most fun for me is how I reach out to people, and it's in such a loving, warm way, and it's received so well. And it's in alignment with my values and what I want to stand for. So her strategy is totally in alignment with me. And it's the relationships that are being built through social media is just unbelievable. Like, I never imagined that I would be so well received via social media. We're not having conversations, we're just talking through DMs often. And it's been phenomenal. It's been the best experience. I'm busting my butt, working harder than I ever have, but it's paying off. And I am getting consults as a result.
That's so good to hear. I didn't know you had already, increased that much on Instagram. That's awesome. Now, tell me and tell them, I never asked you this. So did you, when you watched this retreat and you were one of them that were really committed, did you feel like, you know what? I got all the strategies. I can do this by myself. Did you have that feeling that you could, I'm just going to try this for another month and see if I can do this by myself?
Oh, heck no. I had been trying everything by myself and I was ready. What it told me was, she's giving me a little bit of her strategy. I want all of it. And I knew the way to get it would be to join her program. But I was ready. I had already tried everything. Knew that this was my life purpose in helping women. God put that desire in my heart. I just needed the missing components that Simone, that you provided in your program. So no, I knew I couldn't do it by myself.
Oh my goodness. I get you. I get you. And so just one more question. How do you feel like I showed them a little bit the member vault in the beginning and everything that I share, I can share them, everything that I share. But how do you feel like the program is structured and the materials that you get? How did that help you, or how do you like it?
Well, I like it because you're going at your own pace. She's very insistent that you do one lesson at a time, absorb it, implement it. But then by the same token, if I have questions or I get stuck, I really, really love the weekly call that I have with you to get all those questions answered. And ladies, I am not a technology person, and the technology learning was the thing that scared me the most, but I've learned it amazingly. But you also helped me with that too, through some of your training videos. And when I would get stuck, you would say, Jill, this is where you go to find that resource. And I'm super appreciative of that. But I was willing to take action. And I think that's what's really been the key component, is not just having the strategy, but implementing everything that you're teaching me to do. So
Yes, you're doing so well. So, okay, so just in closing, now that you said that, what would you be your advice for people that are thinking they're still like not certain if they are going to join or not? Maybe they're going to try by themselves. And what would you be your advice from where you are today and seeing all that you've seen on these 3 months?
don't wait. Don't wait. It's just another day of inaction and not getting you closer to your goals. I struggled long enough by the time I got to Simone, and I was really ready. I knew that she had what I needed. But this 7-day course is what gave me a glimpse into that.
Yes, awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Jill.